Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this beautiful flower pattern, and this pattern can be used as a coaster, as a pot holder, mini doily or as a mug mat. And if you are going to join these flowers together while making these chains, you can make shawls, bed cover, table mats and so forth and so on. This pattern is very easy to make, and the techniques that I have applied in making this pattern are chains, single crochet, double crochet and treble crochet. So it is a very good tutorial for those who want to learn all these basic stitches. So we are going to begin now. These are the things that we require for the project. Always choose a hook according to the thickness of the yarn. I am going to choose a hook of 2.5 mm. So at first we have to make a slip knot. Now wrap the yarn on your hook, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through and pull through. These are 6 chains. We have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch. Now foundation ring is ready. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, chain 1 for chain space, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, double crochet 2, chain 1 for chain space, double crochet 3, chain 1 for chain space, double crochet 4, chain 1 for chain space, 5, chain 1 for chain space. So complete the round by making 12 double crochet with chain space of 1, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When this round is complete, we have to make chain 1. Now we have to join the stitches into the first, second, third chain of the first stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to come to the chain space of 1 with slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are counts as a treble crochet. Now wrap the yarn twice on the hook, insert the hook into the chain space of 1, pull through. There are 4 loops on the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is treble crochet. Wrap the yarn twice on the hook, insert the hook into the chain space of 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Treble crochet 3, 4 and 5. Chain 2 for chain space, yarn over, skip this chain space of 1 into the next one, treble crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2 for chain space. Skip the next chain space of 1 into the next one, treble crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So complete the round by making 3 more sets of treble crochet, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When this round is complete and we have made 6 clusters of treble crochet, we have to make chain 2. Now we are going to join the stitches into the first, second, third, fourth chain of the first stitch with slip stitch. On the top of the fourth stitch, chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, which counts as a treble crochet. Wrap the yarn twice on the hook. On the top of the next stitch, treble crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, treble crochet 3. Now we have to make chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now wrap the yarn twice on the hook into the same stitch. One more treble crochet. Wrap the yarn twice on the hook on the top of the next stitch. Treble crochet 1 on the top of the next stitch. Treble crochet 1. Chain 2 for chain space. On the top of the next stitch, treble crochet 1. Now wrap the yarn twice on the hook on the top of the next stitch. Treble crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, treble crochet 3. Chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Into the same stitch, treble crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, treble crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, treble crochet 1. So complete the round following the same pattern, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When this round is complete, we have to make chain 2. Now we have to join the stitches into the 4th chain of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to turn the pattern and we have to come back to this chain space of 2 with slip stitch. Turn the pattern again, wrap the yarn twice on the hook into this chain space of 9. Treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 1, 2, 3 for chain space. Now into this chain space of 9 we have to make 9 more trebles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Into this chain space of 2, join the stitches with slip stitch. Into the next chain space of 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 3 for chain space. Into the same chain space of 9, 9 more trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Join the stitches into the next chain space of 2 with slip stitch. Complete the round by making 4 more petals into chain space of 9, and we will meet again when this flower would be completed. When these 6 petals are complete, we have to join these stitches into the chain space of 2 with slip stitch. Now this pattern is complete. If you are making a bed cover or a tablecloth, while making these chains, make a chain, join the other flower, and then make next chain and continue making 9 trebles. In this way, 2 flowers would be joined by joining them into 2 petals, and in this way you can make a bigger project as well. These are the 3 color options in which I have made this pattern. You can make the patterns in the colors of your choice, and this can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.